In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your PayPal account efficiently and securely. Whether you're a seasoned PayPal user or just getting started, this tutorial will guide you through the process, ensuring you can access your account with ease. To begin, open your preferred web browser and navigate to PayPal's website by typing paypal.com into the address bar. Once on the homepage, you'll notice the iconic blue and white interface designed to be user-friendly and intuitive. Locating the login button is straightforward, typically found at the top right corner of the page. Click on that button to proceed. You will now be directed to the login page where you'll need to enter your registered email address along with your password. Double check that the information is correct to prevent any login issues. Use the email associated with your PayPal account, as it uniquely identifies your account within PayPal's system. Ensure your password is current and, if it is case sensitive, that your caps lock is appropriately set. Once your credentials are entered correctly, click the login button. PayPal will verify your information against their records, and if everything is correct, you'll be logged into your account. If you encounter any issues, PayPal offers options like Forgot Password to help you recover access. Upon successfully logging in, you'll arrive at your PayPal dashboard, the control center of your account. From here, you can review recent activity, check your balance, and access various settings and features such as sending money, pulling reports, and managing linked accounts. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're new, as this will be the main hub for all your PayPal activities. Logging in regularly and reviewing your dashboard is an excellent habit, helping you stay updated on financial transactions and detect any potentially unauthorized activities. Consider enabling two-factor authentication from the security section of your account settings. This extra layer of security can protect your account from unauthorized access. And there you have it, a simple and effective way to access your PayPal account. I hope this guide has been helpful and gives you the confidence to log in and use your PayPal account efficiently. Thanks for joining me today, and happy banking. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. Happy account creating.